These are so cool. I love these. They're perfect. I'm completely happy.
I can't believe it. I'm definitely getting more.
I finally got my first pair of Breezm glasses. These are so lightweight. Like, I can't even tell the difference between wearing them and not wearing them. They're also really comfortable because they fit my face perfectly. I mean, having something comfortable and lightweight is all you really want in glasses. You know what I'm saying?
And I have a weird shaped nose, so I struggle to find glasses that fit the bridge of my nose right. They always slip down, and these are so sturdy.
Now, I have a really wide face, so it's always difficult to find glasses that fit correctly. But these Breezm glasses, they actually fit my face. It's exactly what I was looking for.
Normally I have a really hard time finding glasses that fit me well because my nose to ear length is really long, but these ones just fit me perfectly.
It was really cool being able to virtually try on all the glasses and be able to select the one that I truly loved. So yes, I am so excited to be wearing these on my day today.